D'Angelo Russell making his return to LA for the first time since being traded. Lakers fans, do you still wish you had Russell? Or are you happy with Brook Lopez? He had 34 points tonight. He made 6 threes for the Lakers. He doesn't play like that every night, but hey, there goes Lonzo. Being aggressive on that drive. He finished with 6 points in this game, 7 assists and 5 rebounds. Doing a little bit of everything. Nothing too crazy though. Larry Nance Jr. is going to miss 4 to 6 weeks, so Kyle Kuzma, he was finally in the starting lineup. He had 21 points tonight. Look at the big fella, Brook Lopez. He's gunning from deep. And these are good shots too. They're leaving him open. You never really want your center to stand on the three-point line like this, but if they're going to leave him open and he's on fire, why not let it fly? He's all smiles as we move into the fourth quarter. The Lakers are in control. But Crabbe starts cooking, trying to get him back in the game. The pump fake is going to go all the way. That's not a charge. It's a blocking foul and 1. All of a sudden, the Nets still have a chance. The lob from Lonzo to Randall. And then Lonzo inside to Brook Lopez, who turns immediately and throws it down. The Lakers take this game at home. See, look, that's not my, that's not, Lowry's not my player. I tried. See, I'm trying to guard all 5 players, but sometimes they're too far away. Come on, Towns, get that back. Oh! Towns just jumped over. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo! We just got to get some more dunks like this.